Gabby, why you take this lady home safely for me? Well, go on, brother. Why you look so surprised?
Brother, every time I see you, you have a different woman. And all of them look happy as if you know how to please them.
Of course, me can satisfy all of them without any problem. Why you think all of them keep coming back for more of the good old candy cane?
Me no believe say you can perform up to standard for all of them the same way.
Brother, you can't compare yourself with me. Just because you can't do it, you think me can't do it?
Well, me believe say the only way you can keep up with all of them is unless you take drugs.
No, brother. My thing drug-free. But me have a technique for me use to stay long, so them can get maximum satisfaction. As a matter of fact, most of the women them know them one another, and it's not a problem. And because them know them one another, them come up with a little nickname where them call me.
You serious? Boy, you bossy, eh?
Yeah, man. When you can perform good, I saw the woman them discuss you among themselves. You see, because my name Carlton, between me and you, the nickname what them give me is Carlton the Stallion.
Between me and you still, my wife always a complain say me come too quick.
Why me not surprised? Brother, from me hear how you talk, me know you have problems.
She even recommend say me get medical treatment. Me would love to know the
I can't the stallion.
Me would love to know the techniques you use to stay long.
It's simple, brother. Me just beat my penis several times on the furniture before me start. After that, when the boy erect, is beer marathon me run.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Me I go home early, go try the techniques there, pan my wife. She in for a big surprise. Sound like wifey in the bathroom I take a shower, and she not hear me when me come in. When she come out, she's in for a big surprise.
Carlton the Stallion. Are you that?